What's up to all those alone in the zone? It's the one with the exquisite penmanship, John Eli Lopez, on a mission to get you one step closer to being the king or the queen of the pencil. And today I'll be taking you through the steps needed to create 3D letters from A to Z. If you'd like to follow along, all you need is a pencil, a ruler, eraser, and a sketch pad / paper. Okay, so let's go. First, I'll be starting with 2-inch lines separated by an inch each. And this is just so I can have my letters set up evenly. So once I have that established, I'm just going to get those lines in there evenly. So the position for the 3D effect, they can have some room. So first I'm establishing where my vanishing point would be. And now I'm just writing out the letters. I'm putting 6, 7, 6, 7. All right, so I'm going here, getting the A in. And where you can do it in bubble letters or block style, but for this tutorial here, I'm just going to work with the block style letters. So we're going from A to F right there. And then we're going to start this second line here with G. And for this, what I'm doing right here, you can use a ruler too to get through the letters if you want them, perfectly straight. But for this tutorial, I just use the ruler to get the line in so I can have my letters, on a straight line. But I think I'm pretty, getting the lines out pretty good. So the second line went from G to M, and the third line is going from N to S. And as you see, I'm just sketching them out. Not going to get dark yet. Making sure I have room for all the letters. Yes, and we are close to the end of the letters. Making sure they go X, Y, Z there. And we are good to go. The Z is in, and I'm happy with that. And now I'm going to use a ruler for the vanishing point line to get to each letter. So I decided to change rulers here, get a smaller ruler here. And if you see every point of the A, I'm making sure I'm getting a line that leads to that vanishing point. And once you have the direction of each line, some people you might see do 3D letters and they bring the line all the way to the vanishing point and then erase it. I really feel there's no need to do that as long as I'm making sure it gets to where the vanishing point is. So now the B, each point I'm making sure goes to the vanishing. Goes to the vanishing point. Once you have that established, you're basically doing the shape of the same letter behind it. So now I'm moving on to C. I already put the lines in. And that's why you're seeing the bottom of the letters, because the vanishing point is under these letters. So for every letter, we are angling away from that vanishing point. And they decided, I'm just going to move on and make sure I get all the points in. So that is the real trick, making sure your lines lead to the vanishing point. There we go, getting that E in. This way, this frees you up to do any type of letter, any style. You can turn it into a 3D form just by understanding that concept. Okay, now we're moving on, and of course, you're going to see the angle is changing. The lower you get, and whether you are over the vanishing point or under it. Getting that G in place. It's coming together. Just getting a little erasing in here. Getting my lines in. And you know, some letters have less points than others. So some are real simple to do, while others are a bit tricky. Of course, you know, with this, I'm doing all uppercase. As long as you hit the points of the letters, you should be all right. Already put the lines in. All these lines lead into my vanishing point. That's why when you do it, you want to keep it, you know, it looks a little better if you keep it separated from where the vanishing point is, but you can put the vanishing point anywhere and have your lines lead to that, to where you've placed your vanishing point. And that changes the effect. So I decided here I'm going to put all my lines in for each letter, making sure all the lines are and you're going to notice that the letters under the vanishing point is totally going to have a different perspective from those that's over the vanishing point. Moving on here, decided I'm just going to start placing all the lines where I want each letter. We are getting through here, running through all the letters. And we are basically going in a circle around this vanishing point. That is how we are going to get the illusion of perspective. So now that I have all the lines in, We are just gonna go through these letters, and you will see each line behind the letters are aiming towards that vanishing point. The M here. As you see, M has a lot of points. But whatever shape you make your letters, just grasp the concept of the vanishing point, and you should be all right, because it's basically you're creating the illusion of a block letter. So it is the same exact shape behind those lines that's leading to the vanishing point. So whatever shape you did your letter in front would be the same shape that's behind it. As you see, the vanishing point for this row of letters, those lines are leading upwards towards the vanishing point. As you see, you're seeing the tops of these letters now compared to the ones over the vanishing point where you see the bottom of the letters. Right. So now this bottom row of letters, you would see more of the top as compared to the row over it. I missed that vanishing line there. So I put that in at the bottom of the V there. W is another one similar to the M, but so think of it as the sides you will see. The vanishing point is to the left of this letter X. So the letters where the vanishing point is to the left, you would not see the shading on the right. Just like the letters where the vanishing point is to the right of them, you would not see the shading on the left, because you're just creating the illusion of direction. There we go. Forgot this vanishing line there. All aiming to the point. There we go. Get this final shading pieces in. I'm just going to erase the lines here. Erase that vanishing point in the middle. Clean it up a bit. And there you have it, folks. We are done. I really hope you guys got some value from this tutorial here. If you did, throw a couple jabs at that subscribe button. Hit the like. Leave a comment. Any feedback is appreciated. So until next time, John Eli Lopez signing out. Y'all be good. Y'all be good and be safe.